Welcome to MVP Auto Review, where today we dive into something truly special, a car that bridges the gap between raw American muscle and modern innovation. We're talking about the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 1970 Heritage Edition, a machine that blends the classic soul of the original 1970 Camaro SS with cutting-edge performance and technology. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a tribute to one of the greatest eras of muscle cars, reimagined for the modern enthusiast. At first glance, the design hits you with pure nostalgia. Chevrolet has managed to capture the iconic silhouette of the 1970 SS, those muscular lines, aggressive front fascia, and distinctive split bumper styling, but refined with a modern twist. The LED headlights are seamlessly integrated into the retro-inspired front end, and the sculpted hood with functional vents screams performance. Around the back, you'll notice quad taillights paying homage to the original, paired with a subtle yet sporty rear spoiler and quad exhaust tips that remind you this car isn't just for show. The body sits low and wide, giving it that menacing stance that muscle car fans crave, while offering the aerodynamic efficiency of a modern sports car. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly balances heritage and high-tech. The interior features retro-inspired touches like the round gauge cluster and heritage badging, but everything is wrapped in premium materials like Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and optional carbon fiber trims. A massive 12-inch digital display brings customizable graphics, letting you toggle between modern layouts or a classic analog look that feels straight out of the 70s. The seats are bolstered just right, comfortable for daily drives but firm enough to keep you secure when the car unleashes its full potential. Add to that a premium Bose sound system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a host of driver assist technologies, and you've got a cockpit that feels like a time machine upgraded for the 21st century. Under the hood is where the magic truly happens. Powering the 2026 Camaro SS Heritage Edition is a 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine, tuned to deliver a jaw-dropping 500 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque. Pair that with the available performance package and you can boost output closer to 550 horsepower, giving you blistering acceleration that pushes you back in your seat. Whether you opt for the slick shifting 6-speed manual or the lightning-fast 10-speed automatic, the response is instant and satisfying. 0 to 60 comes in just under 3.7 seconds, and the roar of that V8 through the active performance exhaust is pure muscle car heaven. This car doesn't just perform on straight roads. With an upgraded suspension, magnetic ride control, and Brembo brakes, it's equally confident carving through twisty back roads or dominating at the track. Chevrolet didn't stop with power and handling, they made sure the car is packed with advanced technology. Drive modes like Tour, Sport, Track, and even a customizable setting let you fine-tune the car's behavior to your liking. Launch control and performance traction management make sure every bit of power is put to good use. And for those who love data, the Performance Data Recorder lets you analyze your laps, speed, and G-forces, so you can see just how much you've improved behind the wheel. What truly makes the 2026 Camaro SS Heritage Edition special is how it honors its roots. The 1970 Camaro SS is a legend, and Chevrolet has done an incredible job of respecting that legacy while making sure the new car stands on its own in today's competitive market. It's a car that muscle car purists will appreciate, yet modern enough to attract a new generation of enthusiasts who want classic vibes with modern convenience. In terms of practicality, the Camaro SS doesn't disappoint either. While it's clearly a performance-first machine, you still get a surprisingly usable trunk and enough cabin comfort for weekend getaways or even the occasional commute. Fuel economy won't blow you away, but let's be honest, nobody buys a Camaro SS to hypermile. This is about passion, performance, and the thrill of driving something with true character. Pricing for the 2026 Camaro SS Heritage Edition starts around $55,000, with fully loaded models pushing closer to $70,000. Given the performance, technology, and heritage baked into this package, it's hard to argue that it isn't worth every penny. This car isn't just transportation, it's an experience, a way to own a piece of history while enjoying the best of what modern engineering has to offer. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 1970 Heritage Edition isn't just a car, it's a reminder of why we fell in love with driving in the first place. It's bold, it's powerful, it's beautiful, and most importantly, it delivers on every promise a muscle car should. Whether you're a die-hard Camaro fan or someone looking for a muscle car that perfectly blends nostalgia and performance, this car checks every box. So buckle up, because the legend of the Camaro SS is alive and roaring louder than ever.